Who did this? Blue, this is not your box. Why'd you do this, buddy? Hey, Blue, why'd you do this? Bud, stop talking over me. Blue, stop yelling.
Hi, Cody. That's all you have to say to me today? Is that all? Is that all you have to say to me today, boo-boo? Oh, you want me to scratch your belly? Okay.
Remy, we've talked about this, honey. You gotta get down. You're gonna get down? Remy, that's Mommy's chair. You're gonna get down?
Hi, Cody. Are you welcoming me home? Hi, buddy. Good to see you too, buddy. Hi. Is it time to eat? Is it time to eat?
Yeah, Brittany had to go to the restroom. I look back, and then Oscar's inside of it.
He's like, I wanna wear.
Help her. Help him. Help him, Nora. He's stuck.
Nala. Do you want to go for
What are you doing in the bathtub again? Are you gonna have another temper tantrum? Come on. Get out.